This feature is one of the new features in Adobe Photoshop 2025. And it's over here when you look when you click here and you see that it's part of the remove tool. Okay. When you go up here, you'll see this box. It says distractions, and you can see that we're in Adobe Photoshop 2025. When you click on the little down arrow here, you click on people, and that's going to go. You see how it highlights everything, all these people out here. Okay, it's going to take all of those out of there real easy for you, and then all you can have left is, a real pretty scene of Torrey Pines Golf Course in San Diego. You're going to really enjoy this, like I say, for this particular picture. But whenever you go someplace and there's always people in your way, it's going to be good to get them out of there. So there it is, just like magic. You saw them all go away and disappear. So that's how you get rid of people that aren't part of your subject in a picture with one click. It's awesome.